I'll make you co-host so that you can see that anyhow. So when it goes live, here only we can do that under save now. When that save comes, we can add to that playlist.
When the YouTube link comes, I add that to the playlist.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Mataji. Here, no? Laptop.
Save. Okay.
Sometime it will go to some default. You have to make sure it is adding into the playlist.
ISKCON Radha Govinda temple. Okay.
No, Mataji. We created that blissful, no?
Okay, where do I see that? I can't see that.
1 second.
The account should be Radha Govinda account.
Or blissful.
Okay, Radha, okay, now it is in blissful. Okay. But Mataji, they cannot do that, no? Every time we had to.
The YouTube can be already switched to Radha Govinda. Then I think so.
But it is always showing bhajan only when because we are logging with this bhajan only.
Then.
So every time.
So when you switch channel, you can get Radha Govinda channel.
Sorry.
When you switch the channel, you can get Radha Govinda channel.
I can do that. I'm thinking about Kundan Prabhu and Chitra Mataji during the class, no? So how other teachers and you all are doing that, Mataji? Live? Shilakshmi?
I go live and after that I add to playlist, Mataji. After the class
or during the day we can go to the link.
No, adding to the playlist. You'll come here to the Radha Govinda temple, then
Radha Govinda temple channel. I'll go there. And then in that only there'll be this thing.
Everybody is doing in the same way?
That I don't know, Mataji. I'm doing.
Because all of them are adding into the playlist, no? During the class.
They go live and then they after the class they go to Radha Govinda channel and then they'll put in the playlist.
No, Mataji, when we switch here, I think there we'll get all those playlists. Then we can add. Every teacher is doing, no? That time it may not ask for credential, right?
Only the host can make the YouTube live, is it?
Yes.
Yes.
And the credential is required. Credential is required, then only you can do.
Okay.
I'll stop that live. It is making my system more slow.
But I've seen some teachers, they just click something and then it goes live. Within seconds, it comes. You are live.
Must have saved the credentials or something on their machine.
That's what I said.
But Bimla Mataji is also, I think within few seconds, she goes live.
Prabhu, we had to remove that 2-step. Then it will be fine. I will see that. I'll remove that. make someone host, you can stop this recording. Completely frozen.
Screen.
It is completely. Prabhu, just see that you can climb host. You see that climb host?
Yeah, just a second.
And get that host. And you share the screen automatically. My screen will stop sharing.
No, I cannot see the claim host. I don't see it.
Okay, you could get the host, Prabhu.
No, Mataji, I am not getting.
There's no option to claim host, Mataji. Where is it?
In the more button, you get claim host.
You are in laptop or mobile, Mataji?
Mobile.
Mobile.
More button, you click more button, you will get the.
I think now it is fine. I'll just stop.
You are the host, Mataji, na? So that is why we are not able to see.
Once we climb, I think it won't come.
You make somebody host, then probably
Yeah. No, what I'll do, first I need to stop this. No?